bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular posture correctors. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about it. I bought them, I tested them. There is one difference that is going to make a big difference in your decision which one of these are going to be best for you. They are both very similar, do very similar things, but one of them has a major difference. So this one right over here is going to be the ComfyBrace. This one right over here is going to be the Sriracha. I think that's how you say it. So let's take a look at the ComfyBrace first. So this is a ComfyBrace. If you're kind of like hunched over like this, I'll also show you exactly, does it hide under a shirt or not? So let's get into it right over here. So these are adjustable. This is breathable as well. Nice little stretch to this. You don't want to machine wash either one of these. You're just going to want to hand wash it, and hand dry it. This is done by Velcro right over here, and you do have a strap. I'm 5'11", 260. I was a little concerned maybe this isn't going to fit. Fits just fine, and it's actually very comfortable. So what you're going to do here, you're going to put this right over here. Super important for both of these. You don't want to push down hard. This is Velcro. It is tight, but I felt like when I first trying to put it on, I pushed down too hard and the Velcro came off. So what you want to do is just kind of slip your arm down just like that, pull it up just like that, and you're kind of good to go right over here. This is a good adjustment for me. Now, if you wear it often, you might have to retighten it just because it stretches a little. You're just gonna have to re-Velcro it. This is what it looks like on the back right over here. This is unisex too, so you could, guys or girls can wear this. And then this is exactly what it looks like with a shirt on. So you can't really tell that it's actually on. You could also put this directly on your skin as well. So if you wanted to put it under a gym shirt or an undershirt, you do have that option as well. We'll take a look at the other one, and then we'll kind of go, I'll tell you what that big difference is between them. To get this off, you're going to just go like that and let this come down. Sometimes it might be a little hard to kind of get off, but just maneuver it. That means you have it on at a good adjustment, because it should be. So this one right over here, this is what this one looks like right over there. Very, very similar. Adjustable via Velcro. You have the straps right over here as well. Breathable material as well. For this one, same idea. Gonna pop that over just like that. And then we're just gonna drop our arm through, pull this up just like that. And with both of these, don't kind of stress about getting it. You could always just adjust it later. So this is what this one looks like on. I'll show you with the shirt in just 1 second. So with this shirt on right over here, we're just gonna pop this up just like that. And then we have this just perfect. Can't really see this one at all. This one is gonna come in a little bag like this right over here. This one comes in the box. Now, in terms of which one is going to be best for you, the major difference between the two of these is the Sriracha. They are very different. If you look, or very similar. You look at them head to head, they both kind of have the logo, same spot. They have the adjustments. They are Velcro. The belts are the same size on both of these. But with the Sriracha one right over here, this comes with extra Velcro. So if maybe you're a little bigger and you're a little concerned that it might not go around, you would get these extra Velcro straps right over here, which would allow you to make the Velcro bigger. You would literally just come over here, and then you'd put this Velcro onto this Velcro, and now you have more to pull. That's probably the biggest, that's the only difference really. They both work really, really well. They're both comfortable. They both, could hide under a shirt. So you can't go wrong with either one of those. That is the bigger difference. If you're looking for that extra, a little bit extra, I would say the Sriracha one's for you. If you're cool and with just the normal, I would say the ComfyBrace. Can't really go wrong with either one of those. That is the major difference. Hope you found this video helpful and you get the right posture corrector for you. Give it a thumbs up.